Guys, welcome back to Tasty Tailgating, presented by Pepsi. Today we're joined by 8 to 10 year NFL veteran.
Somewhere in that range.
Will Compton. Will, thanks for being here.
I am excited. I know we're making smash burgers, one of my favorites.
This is per request. So I made this, I don't know, like almost a year ago, and you were like, this is one of the best smash burgers I've had.
Yeah, when Edelman was here.
Yeah. So like last January, we'll say, something like that. But this one I kind of made up on the fly for when he was here, and you loved it. So now this is, I guess we'll call it the Will Compton Smash.
Are you going to allow people to know the secret sauce that you kind of make up?
I mean, the whole point of this is the sauce, so I think I got to let the people know.
Yeah, because that is the X factor of this entire thing.
Well, yeah, it's, you know what, it's a great sauce. So I'm not trying to sell it. It's for the people, and it's for the Tasty Tailgating presented by Pepsi. We'll get ready for the big game. So this one's super easy to do. Really, like Will said, it is all about the sauce. So Will, I'm going to give you the secret right here. QP mayonnaise. Now this is Japanese.
QP?
K-E-W-P-I-E.
Special. Can you find this in your local stores, or you got to go somewhere special?
You got to go. It looks like this. You ever see this in your local store? I don't think so.
No.
You got to go to an Asian supermarket. They have them in most major cities. You'll have like an H Mart, or you get it online. And then to that, we're going with a little bit of sesame oil, soy sauce.
And this is just the eye test. You're not measuring this out?
I've never measured, and it's too tough. And then here, I like the spice.
Love spice. Don't be scared. Throw a little party with it.
So we're going all in. This is chili crisp, and I put this on everything, but this is the killer right here.
You said it's chili what? Chili crisp?
It's chili crisp. So like you have chilies, you have garlic, you have onions. There's some like little peanuts in there, and then they put hot oil on that, and it gets all turned into a really spicy oil. And then
you're making me horny.
and then kimchi. Kimchi is just fermented cabbage. This will give us that kind of pickly taste that you have with smash burgers. So we're not putting any pickles on that. That's the sauce. Give that a mix, Will. Okay. So that's it. That's like the genesis of this burger is that sauce. Next thing we got to do, we have 80-20 beef. You want for smash burgers, especially you want that good fat content, that ratio in there. So 20% fat, 80% lean. You can even go higher if you can get 70-30, even better. Fat's the name of the game when you're making any kind of burger. I'm gonna get an onion just super thinly sliced here on the mandolin. So we're gonna smash that into the burger itself.
I need to get one of those.
Yeah, this mandolin.
Yeah, my wife's always got me chopping onions and shit. And I've never had one of these.
Just careful because it will take your thumb off if you go too close. Give that a little slice. See how nice that is. Look at that. Perfect.
Oh, that is money, dude. For all the fellas out there stuck chopping away at home because your wife tells you to, go buy you one of these. What's this thing called?
It's a mandolin. You can use it for a lot of shit.
Get your mandolin out there, gentlemen.
All right, and then we're just doing little balls like that. And then for a smash burger, you don't want this to be a tough ball because we're smashing it down. So really just a light pack, just like that.
So you don't smash it before you throw it on
No.
All right, that's new to me.
Never smash before. You don't put any oil, any fat down because we want that
Right.
We want it to get really crispy and kind of stick a little bit. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna salt the tops. And then we're gonna take those onions, throw those onions, do a little pile on each of those. Yeah. Look how nice and thin that is. You want a nice thin onion.
Dude, I'll be honest, I am obsessed with this little slicer.
Yeah.
It seems like the key.
It's the key. So then now take a parchment paper or wax paper, anything you have, and then we smash down.
I love that, bro.
And just like that.
Because I usually throw them on to where they're already on the parchment paper.
And now you get little bits. Those onions are going to get nice and crisp.
That's on me.
No, that's good. That's you want the onion. Some of those are going to caramelize. Some will sit on top. When we flip it, it'll be perfect. So here, why don't you give that one a smash? And if you don't have a tool like this, you can use the back of a spatula. It really doesn't matter.
But you should get a tool like this.
You should get it. You should.
If you're a real smash burger connoisseur, you need a tool like this. I got one of these for Christmas. Shout out my wife.
Yeah, how often does your wife have you in the kitchen helping out now? You said she's a big cook though, right?
Yeah, she's fantastic. I'm more of a grill guy.
Okay.
Love making smash burgers, rib eyes, smoked wings, smoked baked beans.
Okay.
Yes.
I like
ribs.
That. I like smoked baked beans a lot. All right, and these are ready for a flip. And the thing I love about smash burgers is how fast they cook.
Yes.
I mean, the thing about smash burgers too is you're cooking all the way through. There's no really medium rare or anything like that.
And once you see the brown start climbing.
Once you see the brown start climbing, yeah. Once it starts to kind of curl, that's how you know. And then I'm just gonna take nice potato bun. That's what you need for a smash burger, and that'll just toast up on the side, and we'll be good to go.
I can't fucking wait, bro.
Easy.
I love to do a little butter. No shortcuts, man.
I know. If I want a museum and a bathroom someday, there's no shortcuts.
That's right.
No shortcuts. It is pretty sick you have that. I can't.
Listen, I took shit in there earlier and just a smile on my face the entire time.
I bet. I like to go 2 slices of cheese. And we'll stack this thing up. It's how easy
This
it
is
is.
gonna be so good.
What's your favorite game day now that you're not playing, that you can sit on the couch and watch? What do you like to eat?
Listen, I am a bottomless chip eater.
Yeah, no, your nachos got big trash can
Nachos, yeah. You get the salsa, you get the guacs, you
Yep.
get the queso.
You like fully loaded? You like it with chicken?
Yes,
cheese,
I do.
and everything?
I do. I personally, I like to scoop more
Okay.
than have it already pre-made.
Yep. And boom, we'll stack those 2 patties. And look at that. You know what? And if you want the cheese to melt, a little steam, water and then cover, because that steam just melts the cheese instantly. You'll see here.
I see you, Donnie.
That's it. All you do. Watch this. Watch when we take this off. Boom.
Dancing.
Perfectly melted cheese. We're gonna go sauce, burger, and then finish a little bit more. That's nice right there. Perfect. And look at this. Look at this. We're gonna get.
Great ratio. Look at those ratios, boys. That shit is crazy.
It's gonna be good. All right.
How long you think I gotta wait, Dad?
Honestly, it depends on how tough your mouth is. I don't know.
Yeah, it's still hot.
It's still gonna be a little hot. Let's give it 30 seconds. Have a sip of Pepsi. We have our beautiful smash burger here, and remember, guys, every crave-worthy bite is better with Pepsi, especially on Tasty Tailgating. This is the Will Compton smash burger. You have the museum. You
Yeah.
have a lot of accolades, and now you have your own burger.
The Willie C. Smash
There you
Burger,
go.
man. Donnie, my man, the smash burger is great. The cheese, I love the quad you got going on. You taste the cheese through the entirety of the bite. You see how it doesn't break apart, which is important for a smash burger. And that's about as good as a 4.5 as I've ever seen.
You know what? We'll take it. Guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Tasty Tailgating. Please suggest a city, a dish, a team to make food for. We'll see you next week. Peace, guys.
I mean, son of a bitch.
That's good, man. It's a good smash burger.